Alright, this is Resourceful Marcus, and in this video we're going to be putting up some hooks here for some of the stuff that I use for my exercise machine. I appreciate everybody watching my videos. Okay, so that might be too big of diameter. Just trying to figure out what size diameter drill bit I want to use for this. Apologize, gimbal's acting kind of screwy right now. That might be too big still. I don't want to go with too big of a drill bit, because if I go with too big of a bit, then it's not going to stay in the wall the right way. Yeah. Sometimes making a decision on what size you're going to drill is not always easy. Anyways, so what I want to do is, I know where my studs are in the wall where I got to do this. And what I need to do is run a tape measure down to the floor here. Just figure my height. 1-man crew doing this. Ow. Not sure if you can see what I'm doing on my one camera. I apologize if you can't. I do apologize. The gimbal's kind of acting screwy there. There. Come on this side. Yeah, the gimbal's just acting a little screwy. I apologize for that. It almost seems like it has a mind of its own. That's all this negative energy that seems to be around. Anyways, I'm going from the ground, from the floor up 45 inches on my wall studs. And that's where I'm gonna drill the hole. As you can see, I'm just marking it on the wall here. 45 inches. Tape measures being a little stubborn. Alright, there we go. Now I'm not sure if I'm going to need another. As you can see, the gimbal's acting kind of screwy, right? It's acting funny. Yes, it is. Alright, so now I'm going to drill a couple of holes with my drill here. Alright, I'm going to drill a couple of holes. I recommend using a pair of safety glasses. I'm not, but hopefully that's far enough. Making a little bit of a mess. Hoping I hit the studs. Alright. There we go, into the studs. Alright. Now I'm going to try to thread these in. Thread in here. These hooks are actually out quite far, eh? Might have to get some different size hooks because it looks like they're going to hit with my apparatus here. Maybe not. I don't know. Have to see. Might have to get smaller hooks to do that. As I'm threading that in there. Just threading it in. Threading the hook in. Yeah, they might be a little bit too long. Which is kind of unfortunate. Let's see what happens here. They're going to be too long because they're going to hit with my Bowflex. Unless I slide the unit forward a little bit, probably. Now, what I want to do is put some of my various bars that I use for my exercise. That's what I'm putting on here. That. And I think I can sit this one on here too, I believe. Should be able to. I think it'll hold it, I hope. It's not going to come crashing down. Looks like it'll hold it, no problem. I think. Just going to stuff other stuff in a way here. Now, that's how I got those. I'm just wondering if my power rods are going to be, hopefully they're not going to be in the way of that. I guess I'll find out when I, well, you know, I guess we should see now, right? We'll answer this question now because I might have to move that bracket, hooks, find out right now. This takes a matter of moments here. See, these hooks are kind of big. I might have to go with shorter ones or make some other type of bracket. This is Resourceful I am Resourceful Marcus, and this is what I'm doing today in this video. I'm just, I know the gimbal's acting up, stuff falling, a lot of stuff falling the last few days, which is kind of funny. We know what that is, of course. Alright, now hook one of these up and see. I guess the question will be answered now. Looks like it's just gonna get by it. Wow. Just gonna squeak by. So there we go. I got my two arm curl bars, the lat bar and my arm curl bar mounted on the hooks here on the wall now. So that's gonna work. Wonderful. now, just trying to think where I should put, gotta add 2 more hooks here. And I think I'm going to go, see how high I'm going to go here where I sit and reach. Sit here and see. I'm going to go at, I'm going to put it at 30 inches. That'll be comfortable to reach it. So I'm going to put 2 more hooks. And I already know where the studs are. Just have to mark the 30-inch mark here. Yeah, 30 inches should be good. Sometimes it's a lot of fun when you're doing this stuff by yourself because I don't have somebody that can hand me a marker or anything like that. Alright, that's 30 inches on that side from the floor. And I just lost my cap for my marker. Yeah, some weird stuff going on right now, that juju. It's kind of funny, yet it's not. On this side, there's a screw right there. Of course there is. Get by that somehow. See what happens here. Find my cap to my marker. Hilarious where that cap went now to the marker. Sorry, I apologize. Just gonna put it in here for now and hope it doesn't dry out. See if I can find the cap after. Now, should always be wearing safety glasses doing this stuff. I'm not right now. I'm kind of being stupid that way. So I recommend wearing a pair of safety glasses when doing your drill. So now I'm going to drill into the studs at the 30-inch mark. Okay, that side. This side could be a little... Yeah, that side might be a little tricky because there was a screw there, so we'll see. See what happens here. So she grabs onto the wood. It'll be alright. Originally I bought these hooks for something else, but since I wanted to get this stuff off the floor, start organizing more stuff. There we go. Nice. You can see these hooks that I have. Type of hook I got on Amazon. I bought I don't know, there's a whole whack load of them. They were dirt cheap when I bought them. Naturally, this is in the way. See what I'm doing here. Screwing that into the wall. So I'm doing 2 different angles of video, okay? Hopefully it's going to turn out and It's not going to drive people nuts what I'm doing. Different type of video. I'm still learning and I'm trying to make the content better as I go. It's a learning process. It is a learning process, and it all takes time. It doesn't happen overnight. Now, yes, I'm gonna hook this one here like that. Okay. And then this one I'm gonna, yeah, this one might, I don't know, this one might pull down on that too much. Maybe not. No, I guess it's okay like that. Beautiful. And then these, I guess I can stick those there like that. The handles that I use just gets it up out of the way. It's more organized. I need to start organizing stuff more. That's a bit better. There we go. A little more tidied up. It was pretty simple to install those, I would say. Yeah, just these little hooks here. And I just used, trying to see what size drill bit I used. 1/4 inch. So I used a 1/4 inch drill bit and I just drilled into the wall studs in the wall. And I already knew where the studs are. I can see where they are. So I mean, alright, this here. Should actually, you know what? I think what I'm going to do with this. Maybe I should just put this one like this. Probably just leave that one like that. And this one in turn will go like that. There we go. Now that's more organized. As long as these power rods don't hit while I'm exercising. I think that's a little more organized anyways. Alright, so I'm going to see how these videos, when I upload them, hopefully you're not going to be driven nuts by what I was doing, because the gimbal's kind of acting screwy. So if you kind of seen what I was doing there, it was not too hard, pretty simple, pretty easy. 1/4 inch drill bit, and it seemed to have worked out pretty good. It's a nice little drill bit set that I originally got on Amazon. Alright, so I thank everybody for watching. This is Resourceful Marcus signing off for now. See you again.